The Universe Within, written by Neil deGrasse Tyson. We look out at the vast universe with wonder. We ask questions about its origins and its mysteries. But what if I told you that the universe isn't just out there? What if it's also inside us? This isn't science fiction. It's the mind-blowing idea behind quantum consciousness. It suggests that the same principles governing the tiniest particles also shape our thoughts, emotions, and even our reality. Quantum consciousness invites us to see ourselves as part of a vast, interconnected web. It challenges us to reconsider the nature of reality and our place within it. Are you ready to explore this fascinating frontier? A quantum leap. We're used to the world behaving predictably. Objects have a defined location and state, but in the quantum realm, the rules are different. Quantum mechanics, the study of these tiny particles, reveals a reality that is anything but straightforward. Take superposition, for example. A particle can exist in multiple states at once until we observe it. This act of observation collapses the possibilities into a single outcome. Think about that. Our very act of observation influences the behavior of reality at its most fundamental level. It's a profound concept that has puzzled scientists and philosophers for decades. But what does it mean for us? The observer effect. If our observations can impact the quantum world, could they also be shaping our own reality in ways we have yet to fully understand? This is one of the central questions explored by the intriguing field of quantum consciousness. Our thoughts and emotions are not just abstract concepts floating in the ether. They have a physical basis in our brains, which are made up of atoms and molecules governed by the intricate laws of quantum mechanics. Could our thoughts then be influencing the quantum world within us, and by extension, the world around us in subtle yet profound ways? This isn't to say that we can simply wish things into existence with a mere thought, but it suggests that our minds are far more powerful and influential than we may realize. Our thoughts and beliefs could be influencing the probabilities of events in our lives, shaping our perceptions and experiences in ways that science is only beginning to uncover. The power of thought. We've all heard the saying, thoughts become things. While it might sound like a motivational poster slogan, quantum consciousness suggests there might be some truth to it. If our thoughts can influence the behavior of particles, then they could also be influencing the energy fields that make up our bodies and the world around us. This concept resonates with ancient wisdom traditions that have long emphasized the power of the mind. Consider the placebo effect. People often experience real, measurable improvements in their health simply because they believe they are receiving a powerful treatment, even if it's just a sugar pill. Could this be evidence of our minds influencing our physical reality? Pioneers of the quantum mind. The exploration of quantum consciousness isn't limited to the fringes of science. It has become a significant area of interest for many in the scientific community. Respected scientists and thinkers have dedicated their careers to understanding this profound connection between mind and matter. Their work bridges the gap between the physical and the metaphysical. Cell biologist Bruce Lipton, for example, argues that our beliefs can actually reprogram our genes, influencing our health and behavior. His groundbreaking research has opened new avenues in the field of biology. He points to the field of epigenetics, which studies how environmental factors can alter gene expression. This field has revolutionized our understanding of genetics and inheritance. Neuroscientist Joe Dispenza explores the power of the mind to heal the body and transform our lives. His work emphasizes the potential of the human brain to create lasting change. He emphasizes the importance of meditation and mindfulness in rewiring our brains and creating new possibilities. These practices can lead to profound personal transformation. And physician Deepak Chopra has long been a proponent of the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit, drawing on both ancient wisdom and modern science to explain how we can tap into our innate healing potential. His holistic approach has inspired many to explore the deeper aspects of health and well-being. Quantum living. So, how can we apply these mind-bending concepts to our everyday lives? How can we take the abstract and make it tangible? While quantum consciousness is still a relatively new field of study, it offers fascinating insights into the nature of reality. There are practical steps we can take to harness its potential and integrate it into our daily routines. Mindfulness practices such as meditation and yoga are essential tools in this journey. These practices can help us become more aware of our thoughts and emotions, allowing us to navigate life with greater clarity. By learning to observe our thoughts without judgment, we can cultivate a sense of inner peace. This shift in perspective enables us to focus our energy on creating positive change in our lives. Visualizations and affirmations are powerful tools for reprogramming our subconscious minds, helping us to align with our goals. By focusing our intentions and visualizing our desired outcomes, we can influence the probabilities of events in our lives. This practice helps us to manifest our dreams and aspirations more effectively. And simply being mindful of the language we use, both internally and externally, can have a profound impact on our energy and outlook. Choosing words that are positive, uplifting, and empowering can help us create a more positive reality. By consciously selecting our words, we can shape our experiences and interactions in a more constructive way. This mindful approach to language and thought can lead to a more fulfilling and joyful life. Unlocking your potential. Imagine a world where we fully understand and embrace the power of quantum consciousness. We would see ourselves not as separate individuals, but as interconnected beings, capable of influencing the world around us with our thoughts, emotions, and actions. We would understand that healing is not just about treating physical symptoms, but also about addressing the underlying energetic imbalances in our bodies and minds. Chronic diseases could potentially be prevented or even reversed by shifting our thoughts and beliefs. We would live in a world where creativity and innovation flourished as we tapped into the infinite potential of the quantum field. We would be empowered to create a future filled with peace, harmony, and abundance for all. A journey of discovery. Quantum consciousness is not a destination, but a journey. It's an invitation to explore the uncharted territories of our minds and the universe we inhabit. It's about questioning our assumptions, expanding our awareness, and embracing the unknown. This essay is just a starting point. I encourage you to delve deeper into this fascinating subject. Read the works of the pioneers mentioned here. Explore the latest scientific discoveries. And most importantly, observe your own thoughts and emotions. The universe within you is waiting to be explored. Are you ready to unlock its mysteries?